Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to naturally clean your house or home after being sick. There has been some major viruses going around here in my house, so I'm basically going through one by one, especially the areas that have a lot of touch points, meaning they're touched by your hands and other parts of your body, and you use them for hygiene. So first things first, we're going to give the bathrooms a good cleaning. I'm just cleaning the mirrors down, the light switches, the toilet handles, the sink, the handles of the sink, anything that if you're sick you would touch with your hands. So if you had to blow your nose or coughing or just bathing and things like that. So that's very important. Now the ingredients I'm using to naturally do all this, I'm using a DIY lemon glass cleaner, and I'm using a Thieves inspired surface cleaner, baking soda, tea tree essential oils I'm using as well to clean all of these areas, and of course vinegar. So these are a lot of these items you probably have in your household. Over on the blog I have all the recipes, so I'll link that below if you want to make these. It beats the commercialized chemical rich bleach agent. So you're not only cleaning the house, getting all the germs and bacteria out of the house, you are also cleaning it to prevent any respiratory irritants or any hormone disruptors. So I believe in it wholeheartedly. My mother has been using vinegar to disinfect and clean the house all through my childhood. And here I am as an adult using those same products: baking soda, vinegar, Castile soap. And of course, I'm adding essential oils for that extra boost, and they smell amazing. Okay, you should do this often, but especially when there's illness in your house or some type of sickness, is cleaning all the light switches. And that is what I'm doing here. I'm basically taking rubbing alcohol, putting it on a microfiber cloth, and cleaning all of the light switches that we touch. Doorknobs included in this as well. The reason I use rubbing alcohol is they've been using rubbing alcohol to clean and disinfect things in the hospital. So I figured, hey, it's an inexpensive cleaning agent, it's natural, and it does the job perfectly. The next area of business is cleaning all of your linens. So bedspread, sheets, pillowcases, and whatnot. I wash these in hot water, especially when there's illness. So strip the beds, clean everything, and put fresh sheets on everything after the illness and sickness is left the house. Change all of your hand towels and washcloths and bath towels in your bathroom, and then also disinfect all of your toothbrushes. So basically I just put it in a solution of peroxide and clean that. If you can't change the heads or replace the toothbrushes, or they're not ready, that's a great way to do that. So here I am placing all of the clean dry sheets back on the bed and bedspreads, and that section of the house is nice and clean and disinfected, and those illnesses are in the past. Okay, so while I am cleaning the house after the illnesses that have struck our house, I am actually giving a deep clean to my kitchen sink. This is including all the faucets. When we are sick, obviously we need to eat, so we use the kitchen quite frequently, and those germs can find their way into the kitchen. So we want to make sure the surfaces are clean, the sink and the handles are clean, along with the refrigerator handles and any of the other appliances that we may have touched when we were ill. Make sure you head over to the blog because I do have like a checkpoint for you to go through each of the areas and check them off after you're ill when you clean your house. Also, like I said, all the recipes and everything I use to clean my kitchen sink. Obviously, I have a DIY kitchen sink cleaner that I make with baking soda, vinegar, and essential oils. It really shines up. I have a stainless steel sink. It shines it up and along with the faucets. And I also have cleaners for everything that we will be cleaning today in the house to help not only sanitize, disinfect, but to make your house smell amazing. Now we're moving into the main living space, and if you can, if the weather permits, I would recommend opening your windows. That gets fresh air in and has all the bacteria and viruses leave at the same time. So fresh air in, bacteria and viruses out. So all of the throw blankets and pillows and whatnot, I am putting those in the wash too as well on hot water and drying that on the sanitation cycle. And then I'm cleaning all the couches. I have leather couches, so I have a DIY leather cleaner that has eucalyptus, which is great when you have been sick. So I'm going to clean all that, clean all the surfaces, the remote, all the electronic devices. And all I'm using to clean the remotes and the electronic devices is a microfiber cloth with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and I'm going through and cleaning all of those too as well. And then after I'm done with that, I shouldn't say kind of, I go through with a vacuum cleaner and clean out any crumbs or tissues that have been laying around, bottles, things like that. Because my household, when we're sick, we watch a lot of movies, a lot of TV, we read a lot of books and find things that are cozy and comfortable to get us through the illnesses. My goal for doing this video is obviously to encourage you and inspire you to have a beautiful home and to clean after illnesses. But it's also to help you realize that there is just a lot of garbage in the world, and living a clean, natural life can be achievable and affordable. I get a lot of kickback for this because a lot of people tell me just even buying organic or buying things that are locally sourced are way more expensive than buying some of the commercialized products that are in the store. And you can do that and achieve that on a very, very tight budget. So that's what I'm hoping that this video encourages you to do, to make you realize that you can clean after an illness and do it naturally and affordable and have a beautiful home. I'm very happy with my choices of practicing clean living, not only in my food, but also in my cleaning products as well. Now, if you stayed with me, you know that I talked about the refrigerator. This is the last thing that we are going to clean or deep clean after being sick. And I'm using lemon essential oil and vinegar in a spray bottle to clean the refrigerator and freezer. Now, I already did a deep clean in here, so I don't feel that it was necessary to pull everything out. But I'm going through with that solution and just wiping anything that could possibly have been touched from when we were ill. So I'm cleaning all the drawer handles, the handles on the outside, any of the condiments that were touched, the water pitcher, anything like that, just cleaning it down just to make sure nothing is alive in there, everything is dead and safe, and we are able to presume moving forward without being ill. Plus, lemon is a great deodorizer, and it smells amazing. I just love anything lemon, citrus. It makes cleaning a little bit more enjoyable and fun, and it gives you that aromatherapy. So as I wrap up this video, I hope this encourage and inspire you to clean your home after being ill with natural ingredients. And if there's anything I forgot that you like to clean after being ill, let me know in the comments below. If you love my videos and want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button. And I always love getting suggestions, comments in the comments below that are helpful moving forward. Remember to check out that blog post for all the recipes, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.